Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your exchange rate in the Remitly app. So once you're inside the Remitly app, guys, in order to check exchange rate, you want to look towards the top of your phone and you will find exchange rate. Now if you look towards the left hand side, you'll find a flag and an edit button. You want to tap on that. And let's say I would like to check the exchange rate for Canada, so I can simply type in Canada and you will find a country. You tap on that and it's going to show you how much the exchange rate is compared to your local account or the local account rate that you set. So when you're setting up the Remitly app, you'll have to set up your location and so forth, and that's going to be your local currency compared to the exchange rate that you want to check. And that's how you can see it. So that's how I'm going to go ahead and check that to one. And that's basically how you check it. So if you would like to, for example, try to send money or something like that, what I recommend for you now is just to simply go ahead and click, for example, get started there, and you can enter the amount that you want. So let's say if I want to send 1,000 Czech koruna, I want to know how much that is. You can see that it shows the equivalent in Canadian dollars. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and check exchange rate in the Remitly app.